invoices are usually saved in the M files through scanner or via email. The customer wants to send invoice and invoice data to a related ERP software, once the invoice is approved. Using Extension Kit, M files can automatically send invoice data to other systems, like ERP, by calling the provided API. This use case is configured with Extension Kit HTTP integration module. With HTTP integration, you can connect to other systems via API without coding, and make any HTTP request with customizable request headers and body. Enhance the quality of M files implementations without coding. Go to the link in the description and start your free trial.